Welcome. This is Hans.
And this is Kit.
And this is... All levity aside, it's time to enjoy chocolate, which is not fun for anyone, except us, because we actually are tasting the chocolate, and you
Are not.
are not. What have we, my fine lady?
Another spatial.
Senses. This sounds like it's like some kind of like...
It's for your senses.
Is it like a lubricant?
Tingles your senses.
It's full of lubricant.
That's gross.
No, isn't there one that's no, it's like condoms that have like all this goo on them that's supposed to be like extra fun?
I'm sure, but I don't know.
No, there was like the his and hers sensations or something.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
They're expensive, so people like to steal them.
Was that the deal?
Yeah, that was the deal.
She used to work in retail. She knows these things. Now she's a high-powered executive assistant.
Yeah, exactly.
High-powered.
High-powered.
Don't get on a bad side.
The last thing you want to do.
Oh, wow. Look at that.
Fancy.
So there's 3 different kinds,
3.
but there's 4 trays of them?
You get more of this one, or you get 2 times this one.
Okay.
Do you want to eat a whole one, or should we split?
So these were found up in Canada at a store called Osaka, which is at Yauhan Center in Richmond, BC, which is an outlying area of Vancouver, BC. Also is considered the largest population of Asian people in North America. And they also had some fascinating things. They had the KitKats that they had like plum wine, and they had sake, and those were like little boxes of them that were shaped like, or had like a picture of a bottle on them. It was like 20 bucks Canadian for this little thing of KitKats, and I was like, no. What's the first one? So you get these. These were like $5, so.
It's hazelnut.
Hazelnut.
Hazel. Oh, hazel.
No, I think it's pronounced hazel.
Hazel.
So like a hazeling.
You're hazeling me.
What's the hazel, man?
Oh, no. Shut the hazel up.
Yeah, hazelnut. I like hazelnut. In Nutella. Nutella is one of my favorite confections.
Of hazelnut.
Yeah. Do you like to cut it? You opened it.
Well, yeah, I'm going to cut it because I think you're out of control sometimes with the cutting. And looks like a regular KitKat.
KitKatiness.
KitKat.
Cheers.
It's a Nutella KitKat.
I'm getting notes of like
Coconut.
green pea. I don't know. 2.
1. Salted caramel.
Well, we like caramel in this household, as long as it's done right. And if it's not done right, it tends to be hell to pay.
You know how much that messes with my OCD.
There you go. Oh, you don't want that be?
No.
What do you mean?
It's not orderly.
That's all right. You don't have OCD. You wish. I love you.
That's gross. I really dislike that. 0. It's like crystallized, way sweet, fake caramel.
Yeah, that was really pointless. 0.
Truffle.
Truffle.
It's your last chance, KitKat.
What are you doing that for?
You can have that piece.
How are you going to have us? There's the crown. You can see the truffle crown.
Yes.
Cheers, my lady.
Sounds gross too. They almost all kind of have the same kind of grossness to them.
Yeah, of all of these, I would rather have just a regular off-the-shelf grocery store non-fancy KitKat.
Yeah, those tasted gross.
Yeah, that one I give a 0 to as well. It's just like they're pointless.
0.
Yeah. I don't know. It's like...
Try harder, KitKat.
Yeah, really, because I mean, your popularity will fade. People will start
like
going...
that.
Yeah. sadness, grief,
Tears.
despair. KitKat. Bye-bye.